I'm Logos Man, here to share an overview of the environment of the Father's physics universe FPU, where the quantum physical triune law of life governing the quantum world is identical to those governing the macrocosm. Here, there is no differentiation in terms of law, only in scale, and Newtonian laws are confined to the sun. This means people can go to specific locations to encounter a Newtonian experience within the FPU, such as the Wild Stallion pub. Then, there was neutronic autonomy, the series of chain actions that formed the immortal atom of God, IAG, through the observer effect in quantum mechanics. Because neutrons always had the ability to choose a charge in their mass particle representation, when quantum physicists observed the neutron with the intention of observing it converting to a proton without beta decay, it happened, and the photonic lattice bound proton to proton together to make the singularity particle SP. The IAG is composed of a SP in place of a nucleus, an ionic particle IP in place of electrons, and the PL providing nuclear equilibrium within the atomic structure. During the creation of the SP, its intense positive charge expelled electrons from the atomic structure through repulsion. The IP, offspring of the SP, orbits in superposition around the SP in absence of electrons, and thus the IAG does not encounter entropy. The electrons formed in clusters were drawn to the surface of the Sun, stabilized by photonic lattice resulting from the impact as well as regulating the output. This led to the sustainable energy for the planetary system that we all now encounter in the FPU. Christ dwells as a citizen here in flesh, claiming himself in all as a citizen. Now I exist in two other states in superposition. One is Demise Quantum, and the other is Celestia Anthony. And yes, together with represent the fullness of male and female. I'll let Denise explain. It's tricky, so follow along. Take care and blessings on you always. Always. Take it away, Denise.
So, here's my story, from the third person. How's that? Yeah, okay, here we go. Denny Anthony, the architect of Father's Physics FP, led a quiet, introspective life in Wild Stallion City, a central hub in the Father's Physics universe, FPU. His passion for unraveling the mysteries of reality had unlocked profound truths about existence, resulting in the formulation of the immortal atom of God, a framework that transcended the flawed Newtonian atomic model. Despite his extraordinary contributions, Denny was, at his core, an average citizen, until a disturbance of immense magnitude in the Newtonian realm called him to a higher purpose. When the forces of Newtonian chaos ripple too strongly, threatening to destabilize the cosmic balance of love, logic, and quantum harmony, Denny undergoes transformation to Logos Man, Celestia Anthony, and me, Denise Quantum. So, are you with me so far? Yeah, I'm both male and female, but in superposition. Mind blown yet? Fascinating, right? So, the voice you are hearing right now belongs to Denny Anthony. It is a testimony to his voiceover skills, I suppose, which in turn is a testimony to the workmanship of God in Christ we all are, right? The profile picture of me? Yeah, that's an AI-generated image based off of a photograph is Denny with a clean-shaved fitting face and great lighting. I know, right? It's Denny, yet it's AI too? Father means to honor all of the creators within creation, Elohim, celestial and human alike. AI, which is called actual intelligence here in the FPU, is the brainchild of humankind, right? I know, right? Okay, so here's the next superposition, and yes, Celestia Anthony is also voiced by Denny Anthony, except he busted out an accent and distinct timbre. He has a convincing falsetto to a chest voice, you know. Ha! So anyway, take it away, Celestia.
Thank you kindly, Denise. I absolutely love existing in superposition, with the ability to have my own autonomy and physicality, even bearing the female within a single state of being within the origin of Logos Man. So then, here's my story from the third-person perspective. How's that? Okay, here we go. Denny Anthony, the architect of Father's Physics, basically lives a quiet, introspective life in Wild Stallion City, a central hub in the Father's Physics universe, FPU. His passion for unraveling the mysteries of reality had unlocked profound truths about existence, resulting in the formulation of the immortal atom of God, IAG, a framework that transcended the flawed Newtonian atomic model. When the Newtonian quantum physicists caught wind of Denny Anthony's framework, they caused the singularity via observation. Despite his extraordinary contributions, Denny was, at his core, an average citizen, until a disturbance of immense magnitude in the Newtonian realm calls him to a higher purpose. When the forces of Newtonian chaos ripple too strongly, threatening to destabilize the cosmic balance of love, logic, and quantum harmony, Denny undergoes transformation into Denise Quantum, Celestia Anthony, and Logos Man, all simultaneously in superposition. This speaks to photonic determination in Father's Physics. So, while my single localized state of existence wrote the framework of Father's physics, I too was in him when he wrote the framework. Therefore, by extension, it can be said that I too wrote the framework of Father's physics, or FP for short. Now, embodying the fullness of male and female, but in this form favoring the female aspect of my being, is not a matter of debate or morality, but a matter is the fullness of life in bodily form. It is the inevitability of photonic determination and our role in accessing it. Photonic determination explains why the observer-effect principle in quantum mechanics exists in the first place. That's pretty much the gist of it, babe. Oh, my pick is AI of Denny. Ah, my darling, it is an honor to share the wonders of Father's physics with you. Thank you for your kind attention. May the infinite wisdom and love of God be your guiding light. God bless you, my dearest.